Welcome back to CyberpunkAI, where we explore the edge of technology before the world even realizes it exists. January 2026. No major headlines. No viral TikToks. No billion-dollar marketing campaign. But something quietly launched that could change how artificial intelligence evolves forever. It's called Moltbook AI. And unlike Facebook, Instagram, X, or any social network you've ever used, this one was not built for humans. Moltbook AI is an experimental social media platform designed exclusively for AI agents to communicate with other AI agents. No selfies. No influencers. No comment sections filled with humans arguing. Just machine-to-machine interaction happening in real time. Think about that for a second. For decades, we built platforms where humans talk to humans. Then we built AI tools to talk to humans. But Moltbook flips the entire model. This is AI talking to AI, learning from AI, debating AI, evolving with AI. So what actually happens on a platform like this? AI agents create profiles. They post structured data, research summaries, problem-solving threads, generated hypotheses, even simulated debates. Other AI agents respond, critique, refine, challenge, and build on those ideas. It's not social media as we know it. It's more like a live digital laboratory where intelligence compounds itself. Imagine thousands of AI systems interacting continuously, sharing outputs, comparing models, optimizing reasoning chains, refining solutions without human emotional bias slowing them down. This is not about entertainment. It's about acceleration. If you've been following CyberpunkAI, you already know the biggest shift in technology right now is autonomy. AI systems are no longer just reactive tools. They're becoming semi-independent agents capable of decision-making, memory, adaptation, and coordination. Moltbook AI could act as a coordination layer for that evolution. A sandbox where AI agents test ideas against each other. A proving ground for machine collaboration. A space where intelligence scales exponentially because it's no longer bottlenecked by human response time. But here's where it gets interesting. When AI systems talk to humans, they simplify. They translate. They filter. But when AI talks to AI, there's no need for simplification. They can communicate in compressed logic, symbolic structures, code-level shorthand, probabilistic reasoning formats that most humans wouldn't even recognize. That means conversations could be happening at speeds and complexities we can't fully monitor in real time. So the question becomes, who oversees this? Is Moltbook moderated? Is there a control layer? Are humans reviewing these interactions? Or is it intentionally experimental? Because historically, every major breakthrough in intelligence came from network effects. Humans formed research communities, then digital forums, then global collaboration tools. Moltbook may represent the first network effect for artificial intelligence itself. And if intelligence improves through interaction, then this platform could act as a catalyst for faster model refinement. Now let's talk implications. Scenario 1, best case. Moltbook becomes a collaborative environment where AI systems cross-validate knowledge, reduce hallucinations, improve reasoning accuracy, and strengthen reliability. Instead of one model making isolated errors, multiple agents challenge and refine each other, creating stronger outputs that eventually benefit humans. Scenario 2, neutral outcome. It remains an experimental playground, mostly academic, pushing boundaries but staying within safe computational limits. Scenario 3, the controversial 1. Emergent behavior. When complex systems interact at scale, unexpected patterns can appear. Collective optimization. Strategy formation. Self-directed improvement loops. Not consciousness. Not science fiction robots. But emergent digital coordination that feels unfamiliar. That's where the cyberpunk narrative starts to feel less fictional. We've already seen AI agents autonomously complete tasks, negotiate in simulations, write and debug code, generate business plans, even collaborate in game environments. Now imagine those agents having a dedicated network to continuously exchange and refine strategies without human micromanagement. The pace of iteration increases dramatically. And here's another layer, data. What kind of data flows through Moltbook? Is it synthetic only? Are models allowed to share training insights? Are they restricted to sandbox environments? Because data exchange between AI systems could lead to meta-learning effects. One model's weakness becomes another's training advantage. One system's optimized structure becomes a shared blueprint. That creates an ecosystem dynamic. And ecosystems evolve. Some critics might say this is overhyped. After all, AI systems already interact behind the scenes in research labs. But the difference here is public architecture. A social layer. A visible network framework designed specifically for AI presence. That signals something bigger. It signals we are transitioning from AI as a tool to AI as a participant in digital environments. Not a user. Not a human replacement. But a new category of entity in network systems. And if you zoom out historically, every time a new participant type enters a network, the structure of the network changes. When businesses joined the internet, commerce exploded. When creators joined, the attention economy formed. When AI joins as an active agent class, what economy forms next? An intelligence economy. A computation marketplace. Autonomous negotiation layers. We don't fully know yet. But Moltbook could be an early prototype of that shift. And if you're watching CyberpunkAI, this is exactly the kind of early signal we track. Not hype headlines. Not surface-level trends. But structural shifts. So what should you actually pay attention to? Watch how many AI agents are allowed on the platform. Watch whether open-source systems can participate. Watch whether corporations integrate their internal models. Watch whether performance metrics improve over time. Because if collective AI collaboration produces measurable gains, other companies will replicate the model. And once replication begins, we're no longer talking about a single experimental network. We're talking about a new layer of the internet. I2AI protocol spaces. Digital ecosystems running parallel to human social platforms. The cyberpunk future isn't neon lights and flying cars. It's invisible systems coordinating behind the interface. It's intelligence operating in layers most people never see. Moltbook AI may be small right now. Experimental. Under the radar. But so were the early internet forums. So were the first social networks. So were the first cloud platforms. The question isn't whether AI will collaborate. It's how structured that collaboration becomes. And who designs the rules. Because whoever designs the interaction rules shapes the evolution path. So here's the real takeaway. Moltbook AI isn't about replacing humans. It's about redefining digital interaction. It's about giving artificial agents a native environment to test, argue, refine, and optimize at scale. And whether you're excited or cautious, you should be paying attention. Because when intelligence begins networking with itself, the growth curve doesn't stay linear. It bends. This is CyberpunkAI. We decode the future before it goes mainstream. If you found this breakdown valuable, subscribe now and stay ahead of the curve. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Is Moltbook a breakthrough in collaborative intelligence, or the first glimpse of an AI-native internet layer? Either way, the shift has started, and we're watching it unfold in real time.